money. Hey, why do you work? Like, to make money, to provide for your family or just yourself. Why do companies exist? To generate income. They want the revenue. Yeah, baby. It's all about the money. It's all about the money. Can you talk about money? Let's learn it. So what you earn, that is your income. Yeah, it can come from all kinds of sources. The more, the better. Salary, that is what you get if you're a regular employee every month. You might be paid more often. That's cool. Even by the hour. Yeah, and then that would be your wage. I don't know why they have two words for that. If you're like my mother, then you love working overtime. And then the question is whether you also receive your overtime pay. People like real estate agents, or sales reps, they also love their commission. Commission. Provize. Jo? Neříkejte provision, to je něco jiného. Třeba žrádlo, nebo tak něco. If you're awesome, then you might get some bonus, like quarterly bonus, for example. And if you're retired, then what you're probably looking forward to right now, that's your pension. You also got to pay the tax. And not only that, your salary is paid after deductions, such as social security charges, like in America, they say welfare, or health insurance and pension contributions, and not much is left, right? What are your monthly outgoings? Outgoings? You gotta cover your living expenses, such as food, clothes, not so important, public transport, gas, Then you have to pay the bills for things like electricity and heat, and you might have to pay your rent, or even worse, your mortgage. So what are you left with? Hopefully enough to enjoy a happy life. Well, it's not that simple. What about companies? Companies, if you start a company, you need some capital. That might be a loan that you have to pay back with some interest, depending on the interest rate. Now, if you own a part of the company, then you would be the shareholder. Congratulations. Good job. One can also lend money to the company by buying bonds, if you ever heard of it. The money that the company owes, that's called a debt. We have that, right? In accounting, we would call that liabilities. Yeah, the debts. Cool word. You can show off with that. Now, revenue, that's all the money that comes in. That's good. And if you deduct all the costs, then you will get the profit. Yeah, so in other words, we call that net income or earnings. You can't keep all those numbers to yourself. That would be illegal. So you have to give reports about your financial situation in financial statements. The balance sheet, that will show the assets, liabilities, and the capital. The second important paper that they have is profit and loss account in British English, or American say income statement. There you will find the company's revenues and expenses during a specific period. It can be a quarter or a year, depends. Yeah, well, that's a lot of money-related stuff, right? At least we can see how money rules the world. And let's hope there's still enough space for love, joy, and fun. Peace. So what you earn, that is if you're a regular employee, not like me. Every month you might be paid more often, then that would be your wage. Tady letá prostě mucha ze strana. Zabít. Such as social security charges, in American English we say welfare, or health insurance and pension pension.